check this out. There's a spring stabbing me right in the ass.
What's the worst that could happen?
Oh!
I got it up.
So when I bought the car, it came with some Pro Car seats. I don't know. They're a little weird. They don't fit right, in my opinion. So a couple issues I've had with these seats is, for some reason, it just seems like the whole seat is shifted towards the center console. So when I go to activate the clutch or press on the clutch, it's almost like my leg is at a weird angle, and it, you know, after a while it hurts for a bit. And then the other thing is there's this big spring right here that keeps just jabbing me in the butt. So we might as well get some new seats, I think. So when it comes to interior parts, I kind of like the OEM look. So I picked up a set of these tweed seats, which matches the factory interior on my car. But they're pretty dirty. There's some guy had a really dirty elbow or shoulder here, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean them up. I bought this carpet cleaner thing, and we're gonna see how it works. It's made for carpet and upholstery and that kind of stuff, so hopefully we clean these up. I think the GoPro died, but yeah, they look pretty good. And check out all this grimy water that we got out of there. So the driver's seat seems to be pretty nice. Probably need to do another quick cleaning. We're just gonna let it dry up and see what it looks like. But with the amount of dirt I got out of here, they've got to be better than they were. So let's let them dry. All right, so it's the next day, and you can see this driver's seat actually cleaned up pretty nicely. Like the shoulder bolsters look pretty good. This is the passenger seat, so you can see the passenger's seat is a lot cleaner. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just give this driver's seat another scrub down, and then we'll put him in the car. So I must have not done a very good job yesterday, because look at the water I just got out of these seats. Nasty. Okay, we got the seats all cleaned up. Check them out, real nice. Now, just gotta take these seats right here out of the car. So the first thing we gotta do with that is come under the car here. And you see where the subframe connector ties in. These are your seat bolts, that one and that side. Take these nuts off, and then there's nuts under the seats. The same nuts, or the same bolts, gotta come right out. Hold tight. Okay, so once you get those two bolts out of there, you got just these two right here, right in the front. Nice and easy to get to. Then the seat comes right out. So here's what the seat looks like when it's out. Oh, by the way, I bought a Ford Raptor. Check it out. Hell yeah. I mean, the seats are pretty nice shape. Anyway. Guess I got baby duty again, eh, Scarlett? What are you doing over there? What are you fixing? All done. Okay, so there you go. I put the seat back in here. Nothing's bolted down yet. Just test fitting it, and it looks awesome. I mean, it looks original, right? So that's kind of what I was going for. So let's bolt her in. All right, so here they are. They look pretty good. They match the rear perfectly, and nice and original. Thanks for watching, everybody.